Hey, y'all. Hi. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been like 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded videos yet. I am so busy. I delivered my daughter earlier. It was supposed to be like my due date is July 5th, but I delivered her like 14 days earlier. So that's why I'm so busy. We haven't uploaded videos yet, but I decided to like grab my camera and talk to you a little bit today. So today is my dentist appointment. I schedule a dentist appointment like as soon as I can, because when I'm pushing my daughter in the hospital, well, when I was in like delivering her, so I think I pushed too much and my crown fell. So yeah, so I decided to call the dentist and set an appointment to fix as soon as I can, because I don't like it. So yeah, so we are going to the dentist today, and yeah, see, they have a gas right here. So that's the crown that fell off when I was in the hospital, where when we're eating and breakfast, it just fell off to my teeth. So hopefully they're gonna fix it today. I'm not get used to it. And yeah, that's got. So my appointment is 11 o'clock. It is 10:21 in the morning, so we have a little time to chit chat. Yeah, that's the reason I haven't uploaded videos yet, because I didn't expect that I'm gonna deliver my daughter earlier, like 14 days earlier. So I'm taking my whatever, I need to fix it or clean my dentures. So if you don't know, guys, I do have dentures, 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This is what's look like. It's clean, by the way, guys. This is on the top of my teeth, and this is the one that I use for my bottom teeth. The only reason I have these dentures is to help me eat, to help me chew food, especially hard food. It's hard for me to chew it, like always stab my gums if I don't have my dentures on. So these help me a lot to chew food while I'm eating. So it's not too bad. I get used to it already. It's not bother me at all. When the first time I use it, it's kind of like I'm not get used to it, kind of annoying, but it's fine now. I get used to it, and yeah, it's helped me to chew food a lot. And yeah, this is the dentures that I'm wearing every day, and I took it off when I'm sleeping. And yeah, hopefully they're gonna fix that gap right there, the crown that fell off onto my teeth. So I'll update you guys later, and see you later. See, when I'm smiling, I'm not get used to it. I don't like it. When I'm smiling, you can see I have teeth missing right here. So I do not like that. It's just me, I don't like that at all. So I'm hoping that they're gonna fix it today, and they're gonna put back my crown onto this little gap here. I'm filming. Alright, so done with my dentist appointment. They don't do anything onto my teeth right now, and they said they're gonna call me back, which, because they don't know how much it costs. So they're gonna call back. They're gonna call the insurance first, and then they're gonna call me back. They gave me 3 options: new crown, 4-unit bridge, and adding missing tooth to partial. So those are the 3 options that I wanna like pick which one is maybe better for my for my teeth. And I ordered couple soap that I used before when I was in the Philippines. I wanna try this for my maybe for my face. This kind of soap. I know you know this type of soap. It's a Kojic Sun Skin Whitening Soap. And also this is my favorite soap when I was in the Philippines too. This one, Likas Papaya. So I'm gonna try these. I just ordered it yesterday and then it showed up today. Just one day shipping. That's fast and like quick shipping. And meet my daughter. He's still like sleeping. Always sleeping. Hey, Yellow. Hi. He's really sleeping, like those slow swing. Okay, so we got a package. Probably this is Ayla's changing pad that we ordered yesterday. So I decided to unbox it in the kitchen. It's a big box. It's huge. So let's see what's inside. Yep, there's another one box. Changing. Her changing pad. If I want to change her into the bed because the bed it's too soft, so she's like kind of like crawling and it's not safe. So this is perfect for her if I want to change her and just put it on the bed. By the way guys, since we got back home from the hospital, I haven't touched my computer yet, so I missed that. Let's turn it on and let's see. I haven't touched it yet since we got home from the hospital. And then you see the last time that I touched it, I'm watching movie from Netflix. I think that's the Witcher from Netflix. I love those TV show. It's a good TV show. By the way, I'm wearing my dentures right now. You can see it's a little bit better, but you can still see the one teeth that I missing, the crown that fell off onto my teeth, but it's a little bit better. I can't wait to fix those tooth that I'm missing for my next appointment, dentist appointment. So I do have a couple things to unbox, but I haven't chance to unbox it yet because I'm so busy and I'm trying to like what do you call that, manage all my time. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Kind of like update what's going on. I haven't uploaded videos for like maybe 3 weeks already, 2 weeks already, but yay, I'm back. I miss talking to the camera and I love doing it, so probably I'm gonna do it more often now that I'm in maternity leave. I am in like a 4 months maternity leave right now, so yes, we have plenty of time to film or play with our cameras. So that's it for today's video guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.